One of my subscribers recently put me onto a new YouTube channel that is absolutely blowing up with a strategy so simple that honestly anyone watching this can replicate it. So stick around till the end because I am breaking down every single step, and trust me, you do not want to miss anything. Now, the channel is called Psyche Depth, and get this, they dropped their very first video just 4 months ago, and somehow within that tiny window, they have already pulled in over 13 million views from uploading more than 200 videos. And real quick, just think about that for a second, because that is insane growth for a brand new channel. And when you scroll through their page, you will notice something wild. Almost every single video they posted, except for one, has crossed hundreds of thousands of views, with their top video currently sitting at around 648,000 views. Which is crazy for a channel that is only a few months old. And we're not even talking about how much they are earning monthly, because according to rough estimates, this channel is easily pulling anywhere from 8K to 20K every single month. And I already know what you're thinking right now. What exactly are they doing, and how can you do the same? Well, this is where things get interesting, because the strategy itself is so simple that you're probably going to laugh. But once you understand why it works, you're going to realize just how powerful and repeatable it is. So here's what they're doing. They're creating videos that dive deep into human behavior, love, identity, confidence, mindset, and all kinds of psychological insights that people can't help but click on. And each video shows a thought-provoking breakdown of how men or women behave in relationships, or how someone finds love, or how emotions influence attraction. And trust me, this is the type of content people binge watch, because everyone is trying to understand themselves just a little bit more. And the channel doesn't just stick to romance or psychology, they branch out into topics like wealth, motivation, family, emotional growth, and even self-development. For example, one of their self-development videos crossed over 400K views in under a month. Another video focused on motivation, and it skyrocketed as well. And that is because this niche is addictive. Viewers see one video and instantly want to watch 10 more. The craziest part about their entire process is that they're not reading books, taking screenshots, or doing deep manual research. They're simply leveraging AI to generate everything. The scripts, the visuals, the voice, the ideas, literally every step is automated. And that is what makes this strategy so powerful and so easy for you to replicate. In fact, I want you to take a good look at the video I personally created using the exact strategy I'm about to break down, because after this tutorial, you will be able to make your own faceless psychology channel with your own unique twist.
Most men never hear this, but women reveal their interest long before they ever speak it. And once you understand the biological signals behind female attraction, you gain an advantage almost every man walks right past. The problem is simple. Men listen to words, but attraction hides in physiology. Micro-expressions, pupil dilation, nervous system shifts, signals the female brain learned to send millions of years before language even existed. You miss these, you miss everything. Here's the secret. Women don't send one sign, they send clusters. A slight lean in combined with a softer voice, a delayed blink paired with a subtle smile, a quick touch to her own neck while she's studying your face. Individually, they're noise. Together, they're evolutionary signals of rising dopamine and lowered guard, the biological reality of female desire activating in real time. If you're serious about mastering these hidden cues, hit subscribe right now, because I break down these micro patterns with the precision most men never learn. Ignore this knowledge, and you'll keep guessing, keep misreading, keep losing opportunities you never even realized were right in front of you. But master these signals, and you'll finally see the world of female psychology that's been invisible your entire life.
So let's get into step one. Step one is finding the right topic. And this is crucial because your topic determines your click-through rate, your watch time, and your entire success. Just like the channel we are modeling, you want topics that tap into female psychology, male behavior, dating dynamics, confidence, and emotional insight. The type of stuff viewers can't resist clicking on. And to make this super easy for you, I put together a Google Doc filled with proven prompts you can use with ChatGPT so you can instantly generate unlimited, high-performing topics, scripts, and angles. The link to that doc is in the description, so definitely check it out. And real quick, if you're getting value from this tutorial, hit the like button because it genuinely helps this video reach more creators like you. Now let's continue. Open the Google Doc, copy the topic prompt, then head to your AI text generator. And for this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste your topic prompt inside, but before you hit enter, make one small adjustment. Tell the AI how many ideas you want, whether that's 10 ideas, 20 ideas, 50 ideas, whatever you prefer. The more ideas you ask for, the easier it is to find the hidden gems. Then hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a list of unique, curiosity-provoking, psychology-based video ideas designed to pull massive views. Go through the list carefully and choose the one that jumps out at you, because your topic is the foundation of your entire video. Get the topic right and you automatically increase your chances of going viral. Now, once your topic is chosen, step 2 is generating your script. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Before you hit enter, adjust 2 things. First, add how long you want the final video to be, maybe 5 minutes, 8 minutes, or 12 minutes, whatever you prefer. Second, add the number of the topic you selected so the AI knows exactly which idea to expand on. Hit enter, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a complete, engaging, viewer-focused script designed for this niche. These scripts hook viewers instantly, keep them watching, and increase your watch time, which is the secret behind PsycheDepth's crazy growth. Step 3 is generating your voiceover. For this, we're using ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs, create an account, and click Instant Speech. Copy your script into the text box and clean it up by removing any timestamps or unnecessary labels. Then go to the Voices tab, listen to a few voices, and choose one that matches your style. When you're ready, click Generate Speech, and within seconds, ElevenLabs will produce a clean, studio-quality voiceover. Download it to your device. Step 4 is generating your visuals. But before we generate images, we need the right prompts. Go to the Google Doc, copy the image prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. If you want visuals that look similar to PsycheDepth, you can upload a screenshot of their video alongside your prompt so the AI understands the sketch style. But I personally recommend creating your own unique style so that you stand out. Once you paste your prompt, hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts. Step 5 is using Google ImageFX to turn your prompts into visuals. Log into Google ImageFX, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, copy your first image prompt, paste it into ImageFX, click Generate, and choose the version that fits your style. Download the image and repeat this for each prompt. Step 6 is animating the images. For this, we're using Veo2 inside Google Gemini. Log into Gemini, open the menu, go to Generate Media, choose Veo, and upload your image. Then copy the prompt you used earlier, paste it into Veo, and click Generate. In seconds, Veo2 will animate your sketch-style image into a smooth, clean video clip. Download it and repeat this for your entire set of images. Step 7 is creating your background music using Suno. Go to Suno, create an account, click the music icon, choose instrumental, go back to ChatGPT, ask for a music style that matches your script, then paste that style into Suno. Give your track a title, click create, listen to the 2 tracks Suno generates, choose the best one, and download it. Step 8 is putting everything together with editing using CapCut. Open CapCut, start a new project, import your animated clips, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, then import your voiceover. Trim the silent parts, line up your visuals with the narration, and add subtle zoom in and zoom out movements using keyframes to make the video feel alive. Add transitions using overlay, apply them to all, and then add auto captions for better retention. Finally, import your background music, lower the volume, and preview your entire video from start to finish. When everything looks good, export in 4K, and you're ready to upload. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you make your own Faceless Psychology channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment because I always respond and I want to see your channel succeed.